All right, so take a look at this here. We just started color sealing, and it's a little bit lighter because I just put it down in the grout lines, but it is going to be a perfect match once it darkens up a shade. And then we'll have these tiles looking nice and uniform and just like brand new. The grout lines look a little bit darker. That's not dirt, that's actually the grout color that's in there. But once this is done, you're going to see a very nice, uniform, beautiful tile floor. It's going to look like it's been freshly grouted and brand new. All right, so we just finished up the shower with a color seal. Let me show you this right here. Regrout some areas, recaulk. Take a look at this right here. Got a real nice color to match the tiles. And this whole area right here was actually knocked out. So repaired that. Got the tiles back up there, pieced it back together, and then color sealed the entire shower, and then finished it up with a topical sealer, Rex Pro. We put over this, over the tiles and the color seal to make it watertight, and put a little 220 grit sand in the sealer on the floor so it doesn't slip. This came out amazing. Regrouted some areas. This whole shower, all the grout was a different color. So rather than grind out all the grout, we used a color sealer to change the grout color, and then we sealed it with the Rex Pro 3-part sealer to go into the natural stone. And now this is not going anywhere for a very long time. But underneath, a lot of cleaning process, had to really grind down a lot of the dirt and stuff underneath here. And then we added a matching caulk so that everything looks the same. Took a lot of caulk out of here and color sealed that area in there. Not much mold, fortunately, just a couple spots, but took care of that. And once again, color sealer and Rex Pro 3-part topical sealer over the top, and this job is done.